Hello and welcome to my channel Rough Roads. So finally after 20-25 days I came somewhere to make video. I didn't plan it actually, but I was thinking that I will not go anywhere in this Ramadan. I will be in office, home, office, sleep, that's it. But yesterday Khabar, he said me that there is a beautiful place and a lot of people, they don't know about this. They don't know about the location as well. So let's go, we will go there, we'll make the video. So today I am here near Al Qudra Lake, and this lake name is Moon Lake. It's very simple, very easy. You just have to follow the Google map. That's it. 4x4, all-wheel drive, sedan, no, sorry. So let's go. I will show you guys this place now, and I will do the preparation also for iftari, because I will break my fast here, then I will go back home. So enjoy the video, and if you guys didn't subscribe my channel, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.